What is up, guys? It's LS7 Devin, and today we are doing a quick review on the Milwaukee M12 soldering iron. We're putting it to the test. One of the tests we're doing is, does it really heat up in just 18 seconds like Milwaukee claims? Stick around and find out. Hit that subscribe button and let's jump right into it. Alright, first let's unbox this. It also comes with this, a different soldering tip head. This one's like a flat, or the one on here right now is more like a point. So here are some features that this has. It has a 3-point pivoting head, so it can be like a right angle. And what's really nice is if you have the flat battery pack, it'll stand up like that. So that is really nice. And let's look at these positions. There's like a 45-degree angle, and then just straight. Pretty cool. And then on the exterior here we have the switch. I don't want to turn this on or off because I want to do a test. It's really nice because when you put this down, it doesn't like burn. Some soldering irons, like when you put them down, they start burning things. So this one's off the ground, so that's actually really nice. Okay, all I have is this little piece of solder right here. It's kind of hard to see. So yeah, just wanted to do a quick review here on the Milwaukee soldering iron. That was pretty cool that it did it in just 18 seconds. And yeah, there's the tip. In 18 seconds, it melted some solder. So Milwaukee was on point with that. This thing is super cool. If you guys got some knowledge out of this video, please smash that subscribe button if you want to see more. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.